Hello guys, welcome back to another video from my channel, and today we're gonna talk about the most, in my opinion, the best fragrance from a JPG from that house to party with. Since all JPG's fragrances are mostly like really popular, I'm gonna do my honest review on all of them. This time today though, it's JPG's Lemon Elixir's turn. This is you've probably seen this before or heard of it, and for a good reason. It's really good, but let's get right into it. Box. It's just like all the others, but this time it's gold with red stripes. Just pull it out with this packaging. Comes out right like this. With this little nice packaging. All the JPGs have this, and I love that. You can feel this thing is actually leather. If you can't feel it, if it's leather, it's actually fake. So watch out for that. If you unbox your JPG, you don't feel this nice as leather. All the JPG's boxes have this. If the one that you have doesn't, it's probably a fake or a one by one. So be careful. So yeah, this is how the box looks like. Look at the shine. It's an amazing bottle. Here's the fragrance right here. It's not as the same as the Le Beau. It's not completely see-through, but it is still amazing. The design, it's a little bit smaller. The 2.5 ounce bottle is actually smaller than the Le Beau, because I don't know, for some reason. Here, I'll show you guys. For some reason it's smaller. They're both the same size, but this one's a little bit bigger. I think it's probably just how the bottle's made and how the crystal is. But yeah, that's whatever. It's still the same amount of cologne. But yeah, as I was saying, this is how it looks like. It has, out of all the JPG colognes, this one has this really big ring on it. And if you see closely, it's thick. And it's really thick. So if yours is not as thick or it's a little bit thinner, it's a fake. So watch out for that. But yeah, this is the only one, except for the new one. This was the other version of this, Elixir Absolute. So yep, only those two have this really big ring from the JPG brand. So yeah, you pull this off, and that's how you spray it. So this is actually a parfum version. So this, trust me on this, it will last all day on you, even the next day even. Without even spraying it, I can get it. Yeah, this is a spray test. I don't want to spray it on myself because again, this thing is really strong, so it will stay on me for like 2 days minimum. If I spray it on my clothes, of course. On my skin, it stays for like a day minimum. So yeah, this is probably one of the strongest fragrances from JPG. Let's see. Already on the air, I can get it. This is a bomb of not spicy. Sorry, this is a bomb of sweetness, vanilla. I'm getting woody. I'm getting aromatic. I'm getting amber, woody, sweet, vanilla. Oh, I'm getting a little bit of lavender. This is amazing. The only thing that I will say, this fragrance is too sweet for some people. Some people don't like really sweet fragrances. Or maybe you do, but this is maybe too much for you. So I will recommend smelling it first. This one was not a blind buy for me. I smelled it first at Sephora or like somewhere on an outlet or something. I had to smell it first. But yes, this cologne, it's to go to parties exclusively. Well, some other occasions you can wear it, but this is 99% for parties, dog. You can wear some parties, you can sweat and everything. If you like dance or whatever, it will still be on you. You will smell like a snack. You will smell like a vanilla snack. Actually, I'm gonna spray it on my skin just for you guys. So I can tell you a good description how it smells to the skin. Mine specifically. Because I love you guys. Even though it's whatever. No, yeah. Like I said, this will have you smelling like a vanilla snack. The only thing that I will say about this is that some girls might smell this on you and think that this is something that they will wear. They will use. But that just depends on the girl. Some girls like their man being sweet. Others don't like it as much. They will rather have it on themselves. But yeah, first you will smell. I will smell this first before buying it. But this is 100% a party fragrance. This is fun, sweet. It gives those vibes. Again, like a snack. If you go to the girl, approach her, talk to her, she smells you. She's gonna get that vibe, that safe vibe. Like, you know, like I like you. Like get closer. Let me smell you. You know, it gets that reaction. I wore this. It was 3 times only, cause I don't go to a lot of parties. So I went to one. I wore this. It got me compliments, but I didn't approach a lot of girls. Actually, I'm not really, because I have a girlfriend, right? So just the other gender people that I talk to, they told me, oh, you smell really good. So that's what I mean. It will get you compliments, regardless if you're even trying to get compliments or not. This is powerful, really powerful. This projects like crazy. I'm just straight at the point, like 99% projection. This projects like crazy. But the only thing that I will say, be safe, because you might not be the only one that has this. So it gets on the air, it gets combined. Let's say a girl you approach to, or you talk to a guy that had this, and it might not work. So yeah, it's overused a little bit, but for a good reason. It's really good. But yeah, again, use it at your own risk. This is not for everyone. This is for me, because I like sweet fragrances too, right? But yeah. What else? This is the I already said that, 2.5 ounce bottle. You can see it right here. It has like silver engraved laser letters. If it doesn't have that, your JPG is fake. Here you can see, I think you can't see, oh look, there it is. This glows kind of ambery on the light. Can't really see it on the camera, but you can kind of see it. But yeah, this is an amazing bottle, honestly. Very unique until the new one released, but this one's very unique. That's what I liked about the bottle, besides the smell, of course. But yes, I'll give this a 8 out of 10, because I don't go to parties a lot, and it's only, this just exclusively to parties, man. And it is never not safe to have one for parties, but I mean, because I don't go a lot, I'll give it an 8. And also because a bunch of especially young people have this. And this is another very juvenile fragrance too. If you're like 25 and above, I would not wear this. I would not buy this. But if you're like below that, that's fine. You can still get it. Even though it's overused, you'll still get your compliments if that's what you're looking for. I wore this on my job once because I just wanted to just put it on because it was brand new. My boss straight away, oh, what you smell really good, man. It's like, oh. Like, that was the least person I expected a reaction to, and look, this is just as powerful. But yes, I give this overall an 8 out of 10. But yeah, buy this on your own risk. Smell it first, and then consider buying it. If you're someone that goes to parties a lot, this is really good for that. So I might as well just smell it, see if you like it, and buy it. Again, I bought this for like $70, actually. I think it's retail for like 120 something. So if you guys want me to hook you on, I got you guys. But please consider leaving a like and comment under my video. I will do all the JPG clones that I have until I run out, and then we're gonna do the next ones in my collection. But thank you guys. Consider leaving a like and comment, subscribe, help me grow, because I really like doing this. So yeah, you guys have a nice day.